Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this welcome home essential gift basket. This is perfect for like neighbors who move in or maybe friends who are moving out and you're not going to be there to like help them like move into their new house or apartment. And the reason I came up with this is because I have a friend who's moving and she's moving farther away, but I didn't know what to get her, and I've been mulling over in my mind for a while. I was like, should I get her like lotion or something like that, or but I came up with this because moving is stressful as it is, and so I put items in here that hopefully will help make it less stressful. So before we get on to what I show you in the basket, don't forget to subscribe below, and let's see what I put in this basket. So these are the items that are going to be in the basket. I'm going to explain to you each and every one of the items. So first, of course, you have the basket that holds everything in it. She has two little kids that are my kids' ages, and so I got them some books so that when they get to her new home, maybe they can just have something to play with and just get distracted as my friend, is getting her stuff done. Here's also some snacks for the kids, because I know that sometimes when you get to a new home, it's like instant, I'm hungry. Also, so she doesn't have to worry about dishes, because moving is just crazy and you don't want to worry about that. I got her some paper plates, utensils, and cups, along with some Lysol wipes, so she doesn't have to dig for all her cleaning stuff, and along with sanitizing antibacterial wipes for her kids' hands. I also have over here some hand soap and toilet paper, because I don't know about you, but after a long move, it's like, okay, 20 minutes to the house, you can hold it, and then you get there and there's no toilet paper. And so this is like, well, I brought some. I also have some soap. And so, yeah, so that's why I added that to the basket. Also, just for some quick paper towels, just for anything that she needs. So this is just to help her have a more stress-free move-in, and I hope she likes it. And so that's why I got it for her. Something for the kids, something to help her out, something to eat, just a little snack. You can also, if you want, you can add like a gift card to a place that's local that they can eat, or a photo book of a couple pictures of your family, and say, here's your old friends, and fill it with all your new friends, something like that. And so that is what I'm going to be putting in her basket. And there's other ideas. Let me know in the comments below what you would do as essentials, and what you would give someone who either moved in. Now, if I was totally her neighbor, I would totally just give her a meal out and other stuff as well. But since she's moving away from me, I thought this would just be a little bit to help her with, along with some fun stuff for her kids, because we just love her kids. And so, yeah. So I just put everything in the basket, and I got most of it from the dollar store, just in case you were wondering. And so you can also probably get a lot of it at Walmart as well. So I'm just going to, hopefully this fits, put it in here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found that useful. I hope that you even use this idea for maybe neighbors or friends that move away. Tell me how you like the idea. Would you do it yourself? Maybe other things that you would put in the Welcome Home Essentials gift basket. So let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.